Hello and welcome to TechnoQubit. Today we are going to talk about the Marshall Major 4 headphones. If you want a wireless pair of headphones that won't break the bank, consider the Marshall Major 4. They have a balanced sound signature, can be charged wirelessly, and can last for up to 80 hours on a single charge. Here are some of the technical specifications. The components and assembly of the Major 4 headphones are of the highest quality. The earcups are cushioned leatherette. The headphones are particularly eye-catching due to their classy, retro design. When using the Major 4 headphones, comfort is not an issue. The earcups and headband are both flexible, allowing you to achieve the ideal fit. Due to their well-balanced design, these headphones are easy to wear hours on end. Coming to the sound quality, the Major 4 produces a sound that is both interesting and well-balanced. The lows are strong and deep, the mids are clean and detailed, and the highs are brilliant and piercing. The sound signature is neutral, so you may listen to any genre of music with ease. The Major 4 headphones bass is definitely interesting. It is a defining characteristic of these headphones. It is intense without being overwhelmingly so. Vocals and instrumentation both come through loud and clear in the song's mid-range. The peaks are clean and clear without being overly sharp. The Major 4 headphones produce a sound that is both interesting and well-balanced. They are fantastic for listening to every genre of music you can imagine. The Major 4 also offers a wide sound stage, which makes it feel like you are right there in the middle of the music. This is due to the fact that the headphones have been designed with large drivers that are able to produce a wide range of frequencies. This makes the Major 4 headphones ideal for listening to music that has a lot of depth and detail, such as classical music or even jazz. They offer a clear and detailed sound that allows you to hear all of the nuances of the music. The headphones have an advertised battery life of up to 80 hours per charge, and as a result, you may leave your music playing all day long without worrying about draining your battery. They can be charged without having to plug them in, making them ideal for use on the road. I have been using the Major 4 headphones for over a year now, and I found them to be extremely durable and versatile in terms of the sound signature and easy to charge with USB-C. What makes the Major 4 headphones even more user-friendly is its straightforward user interface. The playback, volume, and power are all located on the right ear cup, controlled by just one joystick type of button. Overall, the Marshall Major 4 are not just excellent sounding headphones, but also easy to use, easy to charge, and offer great durability.